Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are flying in Blackhorse Road in East London, in London Borough of Waltham Forest. So without further ado, let's take off. So just done a drone flight in Tottenham Hill. So yep, drone's in the sky now, as you can see. So what we're going to do is going to go up to the max height and then we're going to do 360-degree photo. It's just a nice area to fly. It's like a area called Walthamstow Wetlands. So we're going to do 360-degree photo. Right, so without further ado, we're going to do 360-degree photo. So let's do 360 photo. Alright, 360-degree photo is now complete. So without further ado, let's just zip around. Let's go to where the wind's blowing, because then we won't have problems coming back at the end. So I always fly where the wind's blowing the drone first. So that's towards where I flew before, which is in London Borough of Haringey, Tottenham Hill. It's a nice area. So I'm just going to go towards this little area. Let's go to this part of Tottenham Hill, a part where I've not been. I actually have flown to this area. I've got a shot of this area from there. It's actually quite amazing because it's literally one station away. I mean, I got a shot of this area from that side. Now I'm flying on the other side. So Hale Wharf, look at that. There's a bridge that goes towards, and we saw that canal in the other drone flight when I flew in Tottenham Hill. It's actually quite interesting. It's not far at all. And we've got the main area of Tottenham Hill. Look at all these places are newly gentrified. Look at a nice little building over here. Let's get a shot of that. Look at that amazing shot. Let's get a shot of this area down there. There's a station over here. And over here is towards where... Actually, we'll just come back towards here because it's going to go behind the building. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to come back. We're going to fly in this area. I mean, I was going to fly from that car park, and I thought, let's fly in a completely different area because then it'll be the same kind of drone flight. Let's carry on getting a shot at the Haringey side. So this is we've got a big tower over here, right in this area. Actually, you know what? We can get a shot of Tottenham Hill from here. We can go from this side. If we go from this side, it's quite a clever way to get a shot of the other side, because I'm flying from the other side of the area of Tottenham Hill. Like, this is literally Tottenham Hill. I was near here before, but I wasn't actually in this area. But we can get a shot of here quite nicely. Look at that. We might as well call this video Tottenham Hill drone flight. Look at that, that's sick. It's literally the same area that I flew before, Tottenham Hill. I might as well call this video Tottenham Hill, because I'm in Tottenham Hill, because I'm halfway between Blackhorse Road and Tottenham Hill, and that's the Tottenham Hill retail park. I don't know what to call that drone flight then. What should I call that drone flight? We've got the car park over here. Let's get a shot towards this area. So we kind of did get, we kind of am, I'm kind of getting a shot of Tottenham Hill anyway. Because I'm in the area. I won't go that far. We'll just stay in this area. Then we'll just get a shot of the Waltham Forest side. Look at that. Got buildings here. We've got like, I'm not sure what's down there. Got B&Q. Well, that's below us now. I think that's the, I don't know what's down here. But from the big screen you can definitely tell what that is. We've got a graffiti over there saying 2 wins. Look at that. What else have we got? Yeah, we've just got an industrial area in this area. It's not that interesting. Let's just come back now towards where we're flying from. So you've got another residential area. Got another canal area down there. Let's get a shot of this area down here. Oops, we've got side winds. It's not even windy here at all. Just some side winds for the drone. What we'll do now, let's get a shot of this side. We'll just come back towards here. Actually, the wind's come here now. That's crazy. Like, it was where the drone is, and now it's come towards where I am. Even though it's where I am, the drone's not experiencing the wind right now, which is good. We were experiencing it before. Let's get a shot of this bus. Of course, we've got a lot of high power lines here, so we're not going to go anywhere near that. It'll be all over if our drone hits that. Look at that shot, that's actually insane. It's like this road is in the middle of the water. The wind's slowing us down. I wanted to chase the bus, and I probably would be able to chase the bus, but the wind's slowing us down. We've got the other side of the Walthamstow Wetlands, so let's go towards that area. I don't know, should I call this drone flight Tottenham Hill 2 or something? I've never done that with my drone flights. Well, I kind of did the same thing when I flew in Willesden Junction. The name is also Willesden Junction, but there's another station called Harlesden in the area. And where I flew Willesden Junction was the actual town centre of Harlesden. I didn't know what they could call that video Harlesden, because I flew in Park Royal as well. Look at that nice little green area. We can go towards down here. I've flown near this area as well before. Nice little place to fly. Looks like there's a treatment centre over there. I've actually flown there before, in that area. Over the water right now, amazing, unrivaled. Look at that, amazing shot. Got a shot of the water. Look at that, treatment centre. We'll just get a shot of it from here. What we'll do is just come back now towards this little area. Look at that amazing shot. Look at this little island over here. That looks sick. Look at that. Got a little island in this area. we'll do, let's go down towards there. It's a bit bright in it. I'm gonna get a shot of the other side of that. Actually, let's go towards down here. Down this part towards Walthamstow Wetlands. Wind's a bit strong now. Gotta be careful. If I don't land in this drink, it's all over. Let's get a shot of this. Let's come back towards here. We don't want to have trouble coming back. Of course, I'm confident that's going to come back anyway. So, oh my god, this wind's really strong now. Oh my god, it's actually so strong. It's like a windy day. I don't understand. The weather said it was calm today, yet somehow we've got a freight train coming. Let's get a shot of that. It's going towards the other side. Look at that. We saw a freight train like this in when I flew in Wilson Junction or Harsden, London Borough of Brent. Look at that big freight train. That engine's driving all of that. That's crazy. Me ask, have we got Harpark Lloyd? Harpark Lloyd is what strikes out. Look how long that is. That is tremendously long. Look how long that train is. Absolutely crazy. Let's chase it all the way down to Blackhorse. We haven't been to Blackhorse Road. We call this video Blackhorse Road and we haven't actually been there yet. So I don't know what to call this video. Look at that. I actually saw another one before and now got this one in this area. Let's go towards the other side. Look at that, amazing shot. The train's actually faster than the drone because of the wind. That shows how fast the freight trains move. And then we've got a classic overground train. Let's get a shot of this area down here. Got a crossing over here. Look at these nice little buildings in this area. What else can we get a shot of? Let's get a shot of, I want to get a more shot of Blackhorse Road, which I should have done from the get-go. To be honest, we're going to come back in tailwind, so I guess it's fine. See, look how far we got to go. I wanted to explore that, but we're not going to be able to do now. It's too far. Plus, battery's low now. We don't want to risk not coming back, especially the fact that we're on an island, basically. Look how I've got solar panels on top of this little building over here. We've got another solar panel on top of this building as well. You know, we just got another solar panel on this building as well. Not solar panel, we've got some construction, industrial stuff, vents. Now let's just come back now before this battery dies. Let's come back in sports mode. We're coming back in tailwind, so actually going faster than the cars now. Look at that, nice little shot. We'll follow this car coming back, then we'll just land. Alright, let's get a shot of this. Got to land the drone now. Let's get a shot of this area down there, look at that. Amazing shot. Alright, we've got to land the drone now. Look at that. Let's land it right over here. That was an amazing drone flight here, flying in Walthamstow Wetlands. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight, flying here, Blackhorse Road in East London. Hope you enjoyed this drone flight. Or was it North East London? Yeah, we're North East London. So anyway, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.